Right, a bike video from me for a change. First one, I think, ever. Mostly been cars. Anyway, I thought I'd share this one with you because it just makes sense to do it, really. I think it's only the right thing to do. So, I'm working on my mate's Barracuda. A little bit fishy. Jokes aside. And bottom bracket removal. And I don't have the tool to remove that, which is, I believe, a 36mm. I think it was HGW-4 Part 2 version. The only version I've got, the only spanner available I saw on eBay at this moment was $19.99. There was one of them left, and I thought, well, for single use, that's just like crazy. So I did a bit of Googling, had a look at RJ the Bike Guy, and big props to you for doing such good work, dude. You're an absolute legend in cycling. And you used the method that Sheldon Brown used, and I believe he sadly has passed away, so RIP to that legend as well. He will be sadly missed. Anyway, RJ used, as you can see, a similar thing to what I've got set up. Only RJ used a piece of tubing through there, locked on with washers on both sides. Now this bolt is shanked to about 3/4. It's just over 5 inches long, by the way. That's the bolt, no jokes. So basically inside I've got probably 1.5 inches of thread, something along those lines. I'll set it up now, so I'll show it when it comes out. That's if it comes out, I believe it will. So basically I've got nut trapping one side onto the bottom bracket cup, and the same again. Now 21mm, or there we go, in old school money, whichever way around you want. This is 13/16, I believe. Let me just double check this. If we can get any form of focus off this useless Huawei phone. My apologies, Huawei, but the camera on this really isn't very good. Yes, 13/16, and that is definitely a 21mm impact. So, I have tightened the living heck out of both ends. So, only one thing to try now, and that is remove it. So remember, on the driver's side, as it were, the drive side, sorry, too used to cars, drive side, you're tightening to remove, okay? So, 13/16 going on. Let's see what we get. We are set to tighten, and let's see. Wow. Mega easy. Mega easy. So there is what I said. Again, apologies for this quality. Nutted, nothing else. Literally that. Found upstairs in the shed, in the loft, and job done. So hopefully that'll give you guys a lot more ease at removing anything that you haven't got the correct tool for, and I can't imagine why that wouldn't work on anything that you can pass through. So anyway, job done. Thanks for watching.